Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this glittery smoky eyes, which is inspired for the holiday season. So first thing, I'm taking this sticky tape. Then next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild primer before applying any eyeshadow. The first color I'm gonna blend all over my crease is these shades right here from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my crease. And I'm using the flat brush from Bedellium Tools. Then the next color I'm going in with is this black shade from BH Cosmetic palette. So I blend it on top of the eyelid and also straighten my creased area. Using this small brush from Jessup. And now I'm taking the brush from Bedellium Tools, and I'm just gonna make sure that there's no harsh line going on right here. Now I took a tiny blending brush from Jessup, and I'm focusing a little bit more, like straight into the creased area. I feel like using a tinier brush is gonna give you more like precise blending, so therefore I went in with this brush. And now I'm taking a very tiny brush from Bedellium Tools with this white shimmery color, and I'm gonna apply a very tiny amount in the inner corner area. And now for the next color, I'm going in with this one, which is so pretty. It's like a pressed glitter which has a little bit of tackiness, so it's really easy to press it on the eyelids. And it's gonna, stick without having to use any other product. So I just used my finger because I feel like this is the easiest way to apply this. Then now with a clean blending brush with no product in it or whatsoever, I'm blending along the creased area to make sure that the glitters and the matte shades and the crease kinda blend, nicely into each other and doesn't look very harsh. And now I remove the sticky tape. Then next I'm taking this W7 liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna create a wing liner. The next step, I'm taking the Wet n Wild black pencil, and I'm gonna apply this in the lower waterline and then the upper waterline. Now I used a little bit of the liquid liner from W7 to create a point into the inner corner area. Now I'm taking the black shades again, and I'm gonna use this for underneath the lower lash line to smoke it out and make it extra black. Now I applied underneath the lower lash line with also slightly on top of the waterline to connect the lower lash line with the waterline. So now I took that shade's color again, which we'll use all the way at the beginning to apply in the crease. Now I'm also blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line. And now I'm gonna quickly curling my lashes before I go in with any mascara. Then I take the mascara from Mary Kay, which is my favorite mascara, and I'm just gonna apply like tiny coat on the upper lashes and also a coat on the bottom lashes. And of course, I go in with my fake lashes off of the comb, and I got my lashes from wish.com. So here's the final result. I really hope that you all enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!